Yeah, when this supposed to be a coincidence,
Or maybe you're just dense.
I realize say you make an effort to outbeat me and everything when we go after.
I tell you, stick to what you know. Funeral home, dead body.
Don't worry yourself.
Worried. Never.
See you send your little minion up a top hill. And my place that. Be careful of how him trod up there. Because he might go up and never come back.
Let me tell you something. Don't take another step. Listen to this cool boy. It's not a little war then when you go overseas to fight. You see me? Yes, so the rules of engagement different.
Alright boss. Big up yourself.
A 17 hardball na this. So better you go on.